In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text over your image background here in Google Slides. So if you're working on a presentation or on a specific slide where you have to put some text over your heavy colored or dark colored image background, here's one way you can do it. So let me show you my example. Here we have an image background. It's a bit dark, a little heavy on the colors. And what I did to put my text over it would be to have it sort of blend in with the background, but not quite, and still stand out. So here's how I did it. Here we have the same background on my slide. So this is an image that I have turned into a background. I can't remove it or delete it. I'll have to detach it to my background to delete it, or just go to background and select a different type of background. So if I want to put some text over it, what I'm going to do is to go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Word Art. So other than using your text box for your text, you can also use your Word Art. So if I put in our sample text right here, just input your text here in the box and press Enter. And here we have our Word Art. So you can format this in any way you want, but the most important thing here would be your fill color and your format options. So I'm going to format this, resize it a little, reposition it here at the bottom right. There we go. Now I'm going to move on to our border color right here, make that transparent, and go to our fill color where I'm going to use a gradient color. Now for the gradient color, I can customize this into any color I want. So I can do that with our custom option right here. There we have it. To change the colors for each of these sides, just go to this part right here, select your gradient color stop. So for this one, I want to actually use a color in the background. So I can use our eyedropper tool right here. Let's say I want to use a shade of green. There we go. And for the other side, again, another custom color from our background as well. There we go. And now if I want to add or remove gradient stops, I can do that right here. If I want to add one, click on Add. There you have it. You can also change the color for that one. If I select another gradient color, go to the eyedropper tool. There you have it. So now with that gradient stop as well, I can adjust the color for my text right here. And once I'm done adjusting, once I've customized my gradient color, I can click on OK, and it will automatically be added to my word art. And there you have it. Now, it does blend in with my background, but I also want it to stand out at the same time. So the final step would be with our format options and add our drop shadow. So once you're done with your gradient color, you can go to your format options here in the toolbar, select drop shadow, and click on it. So we're not going to be using the color black for this one. It's too dark. What I'm going to use is the opposite, which would be white. There we go. Adjust the opacity. You can adjust this as you go to see how it would look like. And there you go. So that is the text that we've created over our image background right here. So we have our word art that sort of blends in with our background, but at the same time stands out as well. And finally, for our animation, select the same word art, go to Animate, select your animation. For this one, I've used Fade In. Adjust the duration to 2 seconds. And if we have a preview of that, click on your slide, and here comes out our text. So that's just one of the many ways that you can put your text over your image background right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.